creating a basic Google site, the first thing you'll need to do is go to Google Drive, go to New, More, and Google Sites. And it will create a blank site for you. Today I'm just going to be working on creating a basic biographical page. So I will just title the website Dan. Well, this page Dan. The site we will call Biography. And that's it. You have options that if you wanted to upload an image or select an image to put in the background, you could. You can also change the header type from large banner to title only. I generally just go with the banner. And now you're ready to create your page. The most basic of things you can do is insert a text box. You also have options for images, all of your Google content, and so on. But we're going to start with the text box. And in this text box, I'll say, hi, my name is Dan. Period. You can resize the text box however you want. You'll see the grid lines, the guidelines pop up as you're doing it, and it will automatically wrap the text to fit your text box. So we do that. One of the more creative features, and this is limited options, but you can, on the same line as your text, now insert images or websites or whatever it is that you need to do. If you double click in this white space here, it gives you these insert options, and the same insert options that you'll see over here on the right hand side. Here we're just going to go ahead and put in an image, and whenever you insert an image you get this dialog box, which is the same as if you clicked over here on the right, and you can insert an image from a URL. You can search your albums on Google or anything that you have on Google Drive. I'm not sure what I have. I'll go ahead and just look in this particular folder, and I have this picture here of my son with Abraham Lincoln, so I'll just go ahead and insert that. Right. And so now we have this image inserted along with the text. You can also, if you wanted to, just click Insert Image, and it will then insert the image in its own section down here. And if you don't like that, all you have to do is click the trash and it's gone. Right. You can also insert web pages. Some web pages it will pull content from and create an image for you. Some it will just place the URL there. I know Wikipedia pages work. I'm going to go ahead and do this page on Nikki Giovanni. If I paste the URL in there, right, it gives me this thumbnail. I can click add, and that. So if you already have a website that you've made that you want to add to your website, that would be an easy thing to do. You can also upload content from your computer that you're working on right now. So if I click upload, there we go. We get this dialog box, and I have a picture of Nikki Giovanni right here from when she was here in St. Louis. And I can just click that, and then the image will upload from my computer, depending on how quick your connection is. There we go. All right. So those are your basics. You can also insert content from YouTube. Right. If you click here on the YouTube button, you can again search videos here on YouTube, or you can upload one. These are videos that I already have uploaded from mine. So like here's my 2016 year in review. Right. So if you're logged into your Google account, which obviously you would be, right, any videos that you already have uploaded, you can place in there. Same with Google Docs, slides, sheets, forms, maps, calendars, almost any of your Google content you can insert into this page. Once you have this done, you can always change backgrounds or add an image as a background. Let's see, select an image. Right. So they give you a gallery of images that you can choose from, or again, from your Google Drive, your albums, so on and so forth. So if I clicked this, select that, the basic website and how to insert different types of content. This is just one page, as the name implies. This is Google's site. So if you wanted to add additional pages, you would come over here. Instead of insert, you would just go to pages. Very simply click the plus sign. You can name it, so this would be, resume. Done. It automatically adds navigation to the top. Here's your resume page, right, with the header and so on. Go with header type. We got the banner, and so on. And then if you wanted to go back to home, you can just use their navigation. You go to the home page, go to resume, right, and so on. If you wanted to add additional pages, you just keep on clicking. So if I wanted to do this one, and this one would be family. Done. Right, it creates the family page. And if I wanted to insert anything there, I go back to the insert, images, go back to my albums. I think I have something in here for family, maybe. Let's see. Oh, there's my family. So we will select this. And there we go. We start creating this page as well. So now you have, go back to pages, 3 pages. We have the home, we have the resume, we have the family. You can go to any one of them to continue editing. Right. The website is still not live. The next step, right, is to make this public. And very simply, all you have to do is click publish. You have to give the website a name. So I would call it Dan's Bio. And I click publish. Now the website is live. You have the option of viewing it. I click on view. You have the sites /view/Dan's Bio/home. And here's Dan. Here's resume, which was blank. And then, of course, the family page. And as long as I'm logged in, I always have the little edit button down here if I wanted to click back to the editing. But this is what the live page would look like. With a little bit of work and patience, you can eventually make a website that looks, relatively decent like this one. This is the one I did as a sample for my students for the project that we will be doing. So this was, I have the Hero Movies homepage here. Oops. And then the subpage, Star Wars. Thank you very much.